Hello homies, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit on your low-end system because anyone who has low-end system they cannot run audio in their After Effects. I mean they can run the video but the audio is not audible because our PCs or systems is not capable to run video and audio at the same time. I'm going to give you a trick that will work in every low-end system and you can edit without any audio. So what you're going to need, you just need an normal editor that can run smoothly on your system. So in my case I have this. This is not editing, I renamed it. Its name is OpenShot Video Editor. You can download this from the description. And what we have to do, just open our video editor. As you see, I opened my OpenShot Video Editor. It says HD 720 30 fps. Set that resolution. Now we are going to open our video. In my case, I am using this Homelander Season 5 Topaz. Now you can see here video is. Now hit drag, lock this layer, go to file manager and add your audio file. In my case I am using non-proprietary music. Any song you want, drag and drop here. Now drag your song into the timeline. Take some time. Now what you have to do, right click on your video, go to volume and entire clip, set it to level 0 if you don't want the audio. As you can see, my video is running very stunning well. There is no jitter and lag, as you can see. How you can mark, so when you click M on your keyboard, it will give you a mark like that, and you can go over and over again. Like I mark 3, but these marks are random. I'm going to mark them according to the beat. So I'm coming back. Oh, after a long time I cut the video according to the beat, as you can see. Let me play the video. As you can see, our video is our clips are according to the beats. Now we are going to delete our song and hit export. Now open your After Effects. If you just download your After Effects, you will see this kind of interface. So just click on composition, new composition, and set the resolution same as me, 1080, width and height also 1080. Let's just name it Zooms Clips. Okay, and you have now a box, black box. Now click on window, workspace, and where is the effect panel, effect, and you can see now our interface is very much clear. Now add your video. This is the video that we exported from the OpenShot Video Editor. Drag and drop here. Here's our clip. Huh? What the hell? Is this video stretched or I am going crazy? This video is stretched definitely. But we can also stretch this video out. Let me. Yeah, now it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Now what you are going to do, just cut the clip where the next clip started. So let me show you how. So go to your timeline and with the help of arrow key you can manage to move this time indicator. Yeah, there you're not able to move the time indicator with the arrow key, but you can stretch the timeline and get one by one frame. Here's the cut. Now cut your video right here. So see, we just cut the first video. Now hide your first video, first clip, and head towards the second clip. Now cut this clip also. You can cut with Ctrl Shift and D. Now see, this video is also cut down. Hide this layer also. And now let me do it first. Now as you see, cut down the videos according to the beat. They are according to the beat because we match the beat in the OpenShot video editor, so they are literally same according to the beat. You just need to apply zooms and shake. Let me do it for you. Now once your video is ready, open your OpenShot video editor and import the clip that you have edited in After Effects. And also add that song that you cut the beat on. Now add the zooms clip. Add your song. Now set your video according to the beats again. Just match the first beat, and your whole clip is automatically matched. Let me check where the beat is. Here's the beat. Let me slice it. See, if you want to extend the length of your zooms, you can just Ctrl V, copy it, and Ctrl C, yeah, Ctrl C to copy it. Ctrl V. Now you have so till then stay connected and build different and sharp vision. That's Vysion.